Hello everyone. Today we see what's happening in the world, like as Israel, Gaza, Palestine issues going on. Okay, let's see what's happened here. This is a 100-year history, I think. Okay, whatever seen, we will see whatever happened. In every humans are followed some religions because they have their some religious beliefs and they respect their gods and their holy places like that. Okay, in the world there is a two or most powerful religions are here. So we see now the most important religions are Muslims, Christians, and Judas. These three peoples have the one of the holy place that's called as a Jerusalem. They believe that's a one of the very powerful and very holy place, and they try to worship the Jerusalem place to every year like that. This is the importance of the Jerusalem. Okay, now see what's happened in the Palestine. The Jerusalem is in the Palestine. That's the reason Palestine is the important country for every world, because in the every world there is a Muslim and Christians peoples are spread all over the world. So they also focus on the Palestine. Okay, now we see who are the peoples live in the Palestine. There is the live in peoples are Arabs, that mean Muslims, Christians, and some kind of Judas also there. Okay, now the on the previous day there's a world war is happened. First World War, Second World War is happened. On these times, there is a uh, very harassment, very difficulties faced on by Judas, by all of the Hitler like that. People saw killed Judas like that will happen. On that time, the Palestine is under the control of British, so they will say the Judas will come to our country. That means that Palestine to protect you. So most of the Judas will come to their origin. That means the Jerusalem is the one of the important place. They believe the Jerusalem from Jerusalem they origin. Judas will origin. So that's the reason they will also come to the that Palestine. Okay, now the world war is end. Now what happened? Now the British will announce we will give freedom for everyone. That time, that Judas people ask to the or give the request to give us a country for us. The so that's the reason the British will give the Israel as your country. That means Israel is the only for separated, only the single country for Judas in the world. Okay, but on that time they will announce the holy place Jerusalem. That will be international holy place. So that will be common for everyone. That means Muslim, Christians, and Judas. Everyone is common place. That's the reason. On that time, the Arabs, the people, the Muslim people, they will get irritated because the Judas will come to save their life. Now they ask own country. So how is possible? So that's the reason most of the Judas, most of the Arabs people, like as 5 countries, are try to so most of the Arab countries and against the Muslim countries are try to attack the state because they believe this is a new origin country. So easily we can beat because we have 5 countries against them. So that's the reason we can easily beat them. So that's the reason they will go to the against the war of the state. But unfortunately, still beat every country. It still will win the situation. That time, what will happen? Still will capture most of the country. So that time, our government, our the world peace organizations like that, some organizations go and take with still and every countries and they will talk with everyone. Then they will come to the Simon agreement. Now Israel will release all the captured areas. Now the Israel is under their control. Israel is under come to the US control. Now the Palestine. The Palestine will be divided into three. Now three. Then the top parties go to the Palestine. And the Jerusalem is the important place now. That place is ruled. That place will be go to the Palestine, but the outer protection, that means the military protection and the police protection, will be given by Israel. And another part is come to the Gaza, like that. That's also Palestine, but that the people are called as Gaza. What is the difference between the Palestine and Gaza? Palestine people obey the World Peace Organizations, their rules and regulations, and they go to the agreements. But these Gaza people never dare go to any agreements. They every time they will go. If you beat me, I beat again. That's their rule. That's mean their policies. Okay. This going on is the one of the previous. Now see what's happening the now. Now this is a very important place that the Muslims have like to pray their God in this Ramzan month, like that this month. So that's the reason they will try to go to their holy place like as Jerusalem in this time. But here, one is the issue. In this time, the still police will be opposed to never go to the your holy place because it's a holy place of Muslim Judas also. That's the reason they will uh, put some restriction. So on this time, the every world was observe what will happen there, and there is a one of the conflict going on with Muslims people and still police like that. On this time, the Gaza will inform, please allow them to pray. Otherwise, we will take action against your state. But still, never mind it. If you want to take action, you can take it. This is our rule. So they mentioned. So on the time, Gaza will set 100 missions onto the state, but they still have the iron role. That's the reason they still protect the village country using iron rods. But some one mission or two mission will be come to fall on the state, and there are so many people will die. After that, still again they will try to put some weapons to Gaza. That's the reason there's a war will going on in this situation. Here we can't say who is correct, who is wrong, but this is the situation going on. That's all. Thank you.